So before we start, yes, this video is monetized because the video I'm making this video about was claimed by another YouTuber who has taken all the money from it. 100% of it. Now, I don't want you guys going over there, attacking her, calling her names, or being mean. So let me explain what happened. On Friday, I uploaded a video, commentary, and parody about sneaking food into the classroom by Sarah Beauty Corner. It is by all means the definition of fair use. I am using a content that I'm using as commentary and parody. This next DIY seems pretty innocent. What you're doing is you're pretty much taking some meringue and putting it on the top part of your pencil where the eraser normally would have, but then it's like you need to level it up. You can't just have sugar on your pencil.
Take an empty non-toxic glue bottle and wash it super duper well. All we gotta do is squeeze lots of chocolate sauce inside the glue bottle. This one is full, so let's put the lid back on, and it is sneaking class approved.
I'm pretty sure kids didn't know they needed syrup in the classroom until they watched this video, and then they're like, what? I can bring syrup into the classroom? I need to sneak some in there in my glue bottle and drink it like some kind of psycho. But YouTube's bot detected a similarity about 20-ish seconds between my video and Sarah Beauty's Corner video, so they put it in the option of copyright claim for Sarah Beauty Corner. So instead of Sarah Beauty Corner actually acknowledging the fact that this video is fair use, she decided to be pretty annoyed at the fact that I made a video about this video, which I guess she has full rights to be annoyed. However, she decided to claim my video, which means that she is taking 100% of the monetization from the video that I spent money, time, and my own creativity to put together. I messaged her and I told her that this is not fair because this is my content. It's not a re-upload. You guys have to understand, there's a huge difference between re-uploading a video and using a video as a commentary. Using a video as a commentary is kind of like writing a research paper. You're using quotes from your source material to add into your content and then elaborate on it. This is exactly what I've been doing in that video. If you've watched just the first few minutes, you'll know right away that it is fair use. Also, not to mention, there are whole trends that revolve around taking another YouTuber's whole video and recopying exactly what they did. It's funny and it shows that the YouTuber has a sense of humor, but in this case, where's the humor? Where's the lightheartedness? Why did it have to get to this? So I contacted Sarah Beauty Corner through Twitter, leaving her 3 tweets, and by email. In the email, I asked her to please release the claim because I did receive the claim. I disputed it, thinking that the claim would go to YouTube, to a neutral person who knows what fair use is, and then can actually overturn that claim. But instead, the dispute goes directly to Sarah Beauty Corner, in which she immediately, after I posted the dispute to the claim, she refused it within 1 minute. She didn't even give me the time of day to actually acknowledge the fact that in that video, only 20% of it was her content. 80% of that content is mine. But even keeping in mind that it's 80% my content, the YouTube bot only flagged 30 seconds, which means YouTube itself does not think that the content I made is an actual issue. It's just the bot is like, what do you think? To which she responded in this manner. She is claiming 100% of the monetization on that video. So when I emailed her and asked her to please release that claim, she said she is tired of people re-uploading her video and stealing them. At no point did I re-upload her video. I did not take her video as it is, because if you do that, that's wrong. That is stealing. But that's not what I did. What I did is take content and make new content out of that content. And that is allowed. It is the exact same situation that happened with Ethan and Ela from H3H3. They went to court, they fought for it, and they won the case. So why is it that someone who has a way bigger channel can bully a smaller channel like mine? Every video counts. But she felt the need to punish me when it comes to that. I never addressed her as a person. I never attacked her as a person. Even in my video, I admitted that she is actually pretty cute. Okay, before I go anywhere, I have to say that Sarah looks absolutely adorable. That's out there. The only thing I was parroting was the fact that you shouldn't be able to sneak food in class and that these DIYs would not pass to a teacher. So I was commenting on it as though I'm a teacher, because I'm a teacher. Would these things pass? The answer is no, they still wouldn't pass. So the fact that she denied my claim within 1 minute tells me that she really has no intention whatsoever of releasing it. And even in her email, she believes that I stole her video, even though I tried to let her know by email. And I quote, this is exactly what I wrote. What I mean is 20% of your content was fairly used as evidence to the commentary, while 80% of my video is original commentary and parody. This is standard even in academia. If you're writing a paper of 1,000 words, it's standard to have about 20% of this paper from the source material. I understand theft of full videos as re-uploads, but even you have to admit that this is not a re-upload of your video. It's an entirely, completely different video and content. So even though in her email she acknowledges that it is 20% content similarities because it's used as evidence for the commentary, that she is claiming 100% again of the profits. I'm kind of starting to think which part of it is actually theft in this case. And I can't appeal again because according to YouTube rules, for some weird reason, I can't appeal directly to YouTube. My appeals go directly to Sarah Beauty Corner, which means that if I do one more appeal and she refuses it, guess what? My channel gets a copyright strike. Not a claim, a strike, which affects the rating of my channel. Of course, I'm not going to make a second claim.
Yo! Can we copy strike PewDiePie's latest video?
So I sent an email to YouTube asking them to actually step in. I don't know if they're going to step in. I tried to resolve this with the YouTuber herself, but she wants absolutely nothing to do with what I'm saying, even though it is pretty logical and it is fair use, and it is a commentary parody video. Just take 2 seconds to watch that video. It's very upsetting because I spent money and time to put this together at a loss that she's going to take absolutely everything for what she admits 100% is 20% of what she's doing in her own video. I just don't see how that is okay because she has a bigger channel and she can spread herself on a medium-sized channel like mine that is trying to just breathe a little bit to have fun with content. And remember, I'm not playing innocent here. I'm saying I'm having fun with content, not attacking a single person. Other channels have used my videos and have used my likeness in their videos. Have I ever copyrighted claimed them or flagged them? The answer is no, because this is the whole point of YouTube, is you can put content out there that you have fun creating. I've even had someone make a video about me being an Iranian YouTuber and then spread false, rumors about who I am. Did I flag that video? No, I watched it. I thought it was pretty funny because it was wrong on so many levels. I didn't comment, I didn't attack, I didn't do anything. So what the heck? She's acting like she's hurt that other people re-upload her video. She's a multi-million viewed channel with views that can go up to 123 million, which is kudos to her. I have no issues with that. But if you're going to start spreading yourself on other channels that you know at 100% is not a re-upload of your video, that, in my book, is pretty rotten. Now, I don't want you guys going over there, attacking her, calling her names, or being mean. So many of you even didn't know who she was until I made that video. Some of you actually went over there and started enjoying her content, which I think exposure is a good thing regardless if it's from a small channel or a huge channel. So I don't want you guys going over there and attacking her on her social media or her videos. If you do feel the need to go over there, the only thing I have control over is asking you guys to be polite and not be nasty. I have one request. If you really feel like going over there, please make sure that you write, here, you could write this. That way you don't have to worry about getting angry. Please release Nerdy Crafter's video. that's it. That's all I would like, is release my video from the clutches of the claim of 100% of profits for using it as a commentary parody under fair use. And I'm hoping if she doesn't do that, that YouTube steps in, because their bot found a mini match. It's not even a complete match. They found a mini match that she took advantage of. And if you look on YouTube in terms of the actual wording of content claim, here's what it says. Not all reuse is copyright infringement. A channel that transforms original content for commentary, criticism, or parody may be protected under the doctrine of fair use. Some of you might be saying, well, Jackie, just remove the video and re-upload it. And the answer is, I don't want to do that. There's a reason why H3H3 fought for this kind of thing. This is my video that I think should not be claimed and is completely fairly done, fairly used. So I don't want to give up. I don't want to pull it out, re-upload it, and have it get only 10,000 or 20,000 views. This is a video I worked hard for, and I think I deserve to have it back. I don't like making videos like this, but I did try to contact her. She did reply back. I'm recording this section as I'm editing because there were more updates on the emails we exchanged. We both disagree on the actual interpretation of fair use, and I think that's why it would be a good idea for YouTube to step in to see whether my video is creative and commentary and parody enough for it to actually be considered as a fair use video to revoke that claim decision. So we exchanged a few emails. We were both very courteous, but no. She just absolutely refuses to budge on her decision. So I just think that it's an absolute pity that she was able to take advantage of YouTube's bot that detected a 30-second non-consecutive clip to actually go after my whole video. In her email, she even says that my whole video is not fair use. We both disagree on that, but that 30-second that she was able to catch was exactly and only what she needed to take down everything I worked on. So I did ask her again to please release my video from the claim. She's the only one who has this power at this time, and unless YouTube butts in, I don't see anyone else who has that kind of power. And if she really, truly 100% believes that this is a re-upload of her videos, then something is very wrong with the system on YouTube to allow a creator to do that to any other channel. So please don't go there, don't give any kind of hate. If you really want to say something, it's just please release Nerdy Crafter's video. I'm a parody channel, I'm having fun with crafts, and as I said, I am not attacking a person, nor am I ever intending of attacking her. So I really would like her to actually think about what she's saying as theft, because it's not what I did. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know so many of you support me, and I can't be thankful enough. I'm not taking the video down. I'm not re-uploading it. We're in this together, and I believe that we can have justice. And if we can't have justice, then we're gonna work our way around to making sure that the next video is 100% not flagged.